Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss one more concept of integration, that is integration by partial fraction method. In the previous exercise we discussed about a function whenever a linear function is there and a quadratic function in denominator. In that case we apply AB method. In second category we also learn if numerator contain a constant value like 1, 2, 3 and denominator contain a quadratic function, then we make a perfect square and find out its integration. But now in this question, if you observe linear function in numerator and there is a cubic function in denominator, and sometimes it is also quadratic function. So this method is called as the partial method, in which we integrate this function and break this product into the addition and subtraction. Now let us see how to do. First of all, number 1, 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to a upon x minus 1, b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. If you see, these terms are in the form of product. It is not possible for us to break the term of product into the addition whenever it is lies in denominator. So we try to change this function in the form of addition or subtraction. Remember that these functions should be linear. Now if you observe, all these functions are linear. We have to find out the value of a, b and c. There are two different methods to find out the value of a, b, c by taking LCM. See this one, 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equals to a into x minus 2, x minus 3, b into x minus 1, x minus 3, c into x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Now if you observe these two, they are the same, so they get cancelled. Now you can find out the value of a, b and c by the two different methods. Number 1, by compare, and second, by substituting any value of x. The best method is substitute these functions equals to 0. Let x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1. Then substitute x is equals to 1 in this equation. What is observed? 3 into 1 minus 1 is equals to a into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 3, c into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2. Now 3 minus 1, that is 2, it is a. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1, 0 into something 0. c into 1 minus 1, 0 into 0 something. Then minus 1 minus 2, they will make 2, then 2a is equals to 2 and a is equals to 1. From here you will get the value of a is equals to 1. Now second step, let x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. 3 into 2 minus 1 is equals to b, a into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 3, b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 plus c into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. a into 2 minus 2, 0 plus b into 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1, c into 2 minus 2, it is 0. So what happened? 5 is equals to minus of b, or b is equals to minus of 5. So Now see, we will find out the two values a and b. Pause. Let x minus 3 equals to 0, then x is equals to 3. It is 3 into 3 minus 1 is equals to a into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 b into 3 minus 1 3 minus 3 c into 3 minus 1 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 1 8. A into 3 minus 3 0 into something 0. B into 3 minus 3 it again 0. C into 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1. Then from here value of C 2C is equals to 8 and value of C is equals to 4. So from all these terms we calculate the following value. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 5 and C is equals to 4. It means that function which is in the form of product is now can be written in the form of addition or subtraction. See this one, 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 along with dx is equals to a is equals to 1 upon x minus 1 plus b is equals to minus 5 upon x minus 2 plus c is equals to 4 upon x minus 3. If you observe this function which is in the form of product, especially in denominator, now it can be break into the form of addition and subtraction along with different function. This method is actually called as the partial method, with the help of which a function in the form of denominator contain the products is changed into the form of addition or subtraction with the help of partial method. This partial method helps us to adjust the value of constant. If we take the LCM of this statement, definitely we will get the same answer. So it is a way, another way in which we can change a statement in the form of product into the form of addition and subtraction. Now it is, in this case it is quite difficult to integrate, but in this case now it is easy to integrate because every term is separated. See the integration, 1 upon x minus 1, that is log of x minus 1, minus 5 log of x minus 2 plus 4 log of x minus 3. Now this is your answer, plus c constant of integration, or we can compile log of x minus 1 minus log of x minus 2 to power 5 plus log of x minus 3 to power 4 plus c, means power is transferred to this number according to the formula. Now we have last one property, log m log n, and in the form of addition and subtraction, or we can write log of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 to power 5 into x minus 3 to power 4 plus c, a constant of integration. So or we can compile the result in this